We are the blue planet and we have water. So how can there be a global water crisis?
Sometimes back, we realized that in this village was in dire need of water because the community used to depend from a seasonal river, which sometimes it would dry up, and people would go and walk for long distances. They would spend almost the whole day in searching of water. And we thought that the solution to that is to have a borehole in Mitimingi. And we mobilized the resources from friends and well-wishers, and we were able to sink a borehole, which is currently running very well, and it has been serving the community. We thank God for that. Again, we found in another village they were still in a similar situation. So we decided again to mobilize resources to sink another borehole in that another village. So we had a setback because the borehole, after the pump testing, it was confirmed that the yield would only generate 1 cubic meter per hour. We consulted the geologist and he recommended that we should drill for further 100 meters, at least 8 cubic meters. And that is where we are.
With Africa getting less aid and more developing countries needing water to combat COVID-19, more than ever, we need to all take action to improve our world. The world is full of water. We just need to access, clean it, store it, and utilize it better.